just the way you do it when you move so swiftly.
It's 6:30 a.m. Today's travel day. It's Saturday, so can't wait to show you where I'm going. I had a quick breakfast because I'm not gonna eat till 2 p.m. something like that. Taking the morning, taking the supplements, my morning routine, vitamins, collagen, and as I can't take it with me because it's too big and I have like a small suitcases, I put it in a plastic bag, so I hope it's gonna be okay and they're not gonna think it's cocaine or something like that. With one hand, it's not very convenient. In my tea. Look at that. It so looks like cocaine. It's gonna be fun. But it's not. It's only collagen, which it's great for my joints, my skin. As you can see, it's not working very well right now. No, I'm kidding, I'm just super tired. Yes. Always travel with style. Some people get Louis Vuitton suitcase, some people get Supreme suitcase. I have like a, how do you say in English? Horse suitcase? Pony suitcase? Yeah, I know. Love it. So I passed security. They didn't ask for like my bag of collagen / cocaine. So that's good. But the airport is full today. It's like Depression Day, holiday, something like that. So it's a mess. So now I'm gonna grab like a tea or something and wait for my plane, which is delayed by the way, as usual during the holidays. So yeah, but it will give me some time to work, do stuff like that. So I'm boarding in like 10-20 minutes, something like that. My plane is delayed. The airport was so full, so packed today that I wasn't able to work or even to sit anywhere. It's crazy. It's crazy. Sorry. So yeah, boarding in 10 minutes. Can't wait. Weather here, it's not good as you see. So yeah, let's chase the sun a little bit.
It looks like it's spinning round. It looks like it's spinning round. Lions and tigers and bears and beavers and badgers and leopards and monkeys and donkeys, skunks, snakes, skunks, rabbits, moose, cats and dogs, flies, bats, frogs, bats, beetles, bees, fox and wolf.
today we're in Barcelona. I arrived yesterday. I did a lot of stuff yesterday. I met up with some friends. I ate a lot, mostly tapas, stuff like that. Today I went for like a 10k run by the beach. It was amazing. This morning, even if I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm super tired, to be honest. But it's a beautiful day today in Barcelona. I will show you the video, the picture that I've taken. Then I spent a lot of time with my family today, which was amazing. And now I'm in Starbucks, which is the only place open on Sunday where I can work to prepare my week, because I have a lot, as I'm abroad and I want to enjoy my time in Barcelona. I need to be very productive. So every Sunday I do like my to-do list for the week ahead, so I don't wake up on Monday super stressed, like, yeah, I need to do that, I need to do that. I do my to-do list every Sunday night, so for work stuff and even personal stuff, like doctor's appointments, stuff like that. So I can, plan my week ahead. And it's avoid me to have like a lot of stress, because usually before that, it was very hard for me to fall asleep on Sunday nights, I don't know if it's the same for you, but it was like, I was thinking a lot in my bed, like, yeah, I need to do that, tomorrow I need to do that, oh, on Thursday I need to cancel that appointment, blah, 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 blah. So every week it was, the same deal. I fell asleep like on Sunday night around 2 a.m., 3 a.m. And the beginning of the week was super hard because I was tired and stressed. So now I found that, now I'm working on my to-do list, I'm sending some emails, I'm like, just preparing the week, Hey guys, I'm back in Lisbon. I'm working on I'm editing the video right now. So I will publish it like in a few days, and stay tuned because next week I will film. My surfboard is being shaped right now in Sintra, so I will show you the whole process. It's super interesting for the people who like surfing, who are interested in surfing. So we will go to Sintra and I will show you the whole process of how to make a surfboard, how to shape a surfboard. Have a great week, great weekend. See you next week. Bye bye.